Beau. I know, look at you, you're hungry. That's Beau's hungry noise. He just woke me up. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I am tired. He's just so cute. Yeah? You want to show everybody how hungry you are?